Hi there! In this video, we're going to show you how to use invisible formula fields in Flowfinity and build a practical use case for our field measurements app. Invisible fields are not shown to the user, but are still active in the app. It's common to use hidden fields to perform formula calculations or save temporary values that can later be referenced in other fields shown to the user. In our case, we will use a hidden field with a formula to convert data types to allow calculations in other fields to be processed correctly. For example, let's say you need to include a value from a lookup field into an integer formula. However, the lookup field returns a value in string format, even if the selected return data value in the lookup configuration is of numeric type. So, to use it in a numeric calculation, you must first convert the string into a decimal or integer. This specific example is done this way to demonstrate the idea of using hidden fields in calculations and is not the only way to solve this case. So feel free to experiment with your own formulas. Getting back to our case, here's how we can accomplish this. Open the Configure tab. Customize or create the necessary application. We're working with a field measurements app we created for training purposes. Create a new input field. Give it a title of Data Type Conversion and field name of Data Type Conversion. Click ABC and select Formula Calculation. Data Type Conversion field will have a formula that references a different lookup field entitled Pollution of Other Areas, which brings in field values from another app. For this purpose, we have created another app called Pollution of Other Areas, which returns a decimal value representing the pollution score of the selected other area that we'll use to compare monthly pollution levels at our current monitoring location to other areas we monitor. You will need to select or create an app like this one from where you wish to import data values. In order to convert data from the lookup field to a decimal type, write the following formula in the Data Type Conversion field. Decimal open brackets, pollution of other areas, close brackets. Please note that there are certain rules in converting fields from one type to another. String fields may be converted to any field using functions. Integer fields may convert to string and decimal fields without functions, however, cannot be converted to datetime. Decimal fields freely convert to strings using functions to convert to integers. However, they cannot be converted to datetime fields. Datetime fields can be freely converted to string fields without functions, but cannot be converted to integer or decimal fields. In the Layout section, ensure the field Data Type Conversion is set to Included only. Both visible and editable are set to No. This ensures that the field will remain invisible, however, still execute its formula. Next, let's add another field and label it Main Area / Other Areas Pollution Comparison. Make it a numeric field and allow decimal values to be used. Click ABC and select Formula Calculation again. Type in the formula Current Month Measurements, divided by Data Type Conversion. As the Data Type Conversion field returns decimal values from the Pollution of Other Areas field, we can use it in this formula. Click Save and publish the app. Thanks for taking the time to learn about formulas in Flowfinity. If you have more questions about formulas, please visit our knowledge base or contact Flowfinity to speak with our customer success team. Bye for now.